SR and I'm Mahi Ambekar. This project is made by equal contribution of my team members, which includes Siddhi Milkantwar and Ruturaj Uttarwar. So our project is a multi-purpose medicine guide. Online Medicine Guide is a complete medicine inventory management system. This system is a web-based system which is written in PHP and MySQL. It consists of admin side and a user side. The main features of this project are that the user will get to see the product list. Inside the product list, they can see medicine name, description, and eventually they will see the price of the medicine. If they want the medicine, they can add it to the cart, and also it will help users to find the nearest pharmacies in their area, which will help them save time for finding pharmacies and can really be useful in emergency cases. And users can even find the nearest ambulance in their region. The technologies used in this project are HTML for page layout and design, CSS for designing, JavaScript for front end, PHP for backend, and Bootstrap. So firstly, when you open the website, that is the index page, you will see a slider with some main features of this website highlighted. That is the browse medicines and search pharmacy. And then when you scroll down, you will see more details about features like same day delivery, verified quality medicines, etc. And at the bottom of the page are some sign up and login details, which will be explained by Siddhi.
Okay, so now as you can see, three options on the top of index page. On the top of index, which are customer sign up, pharmacy sign up, and login. In customer sign up, users can register themselves by adding their personal details like username, email, password, mobile number, and address. Once the customer is signed in, they can log in using their email ID and password. And take advantage of various interesting features of this website and can be greatly benefited. Those features include order verified quality medicines and get them delivered at their doorsteps as soon as possible. Then search for ambulance and search for nearest pharmacies. In pharmacy sign up, a pharmacist can register itself by adding all the details so that the pharmacy is visible to customers. All the sign-up details of both customer as well as pharmacies can be seen in the database. And in login, you can log in as pharmacist or a customer. Now, when you log in as pharmacist, you can see the pharmacy details, and also there is an option of changing the password. Now, Ruturaj will take over.
Okay, so after getting some details about home page and also getting details about the sign up page, we have come to a conclusion that we can sign in as a customer also as a pharmacist. So for a patients panel, if we continue in the patients panel, we are working on patients features. So if we sign up with a username and a password in the patients panel, we got to know the features we are going to use. So that are browse medicine, find pharmacy, and find ambulance. The three core features of this website will be browse medicines, and they will be home delivered to them as per their needs. So, and in the code, if we get a glimpse of a code, so we are getting some home codes for PHP codes, and we will use the home page that we have used for features. So browse medicine will come here, find pharmacy, and find ambulance will get to the reference of the other tabs, and that tabs will refer to this PHP code will again continue to add the data of that patient's panel in the browse medicine, in the find pharmacy, and in the find ambulance. So if we again continue into the site, we'll see in the browse medicine. So in the browse medicine, we have added the contents of main medicines that they are going to buy, and they can directly get that medicine in their cart to buy them easily. And then we can visit the cart, and after getting to the cart, we can just enter our name, addresses, where to deliver it, and just go with it with the order at our doorsteps. So after getting to the browse medicines, this will be a big feature. And getting back to another feature, that is find pharmacy. So if we are at home and we are not able to get any medicines at your delivery point by some criteria, so we have also added a panel to get a pharmacy store near you. So we will add a list around that location where the patient is residing, and we will add some names, mobile numbers, addresses, and region of that particular pharmacy store, so that it will be easy to access them from their nearest area. And the last feature is the find ambulance in case of emergency and any other reason. If they want ambulance to get serviced by, so they will get an ambulance van where they are serviced, and their hospital names, the region where they are resided, and the hospital address, of course. So this will be going to be a good feature of our website, and this three will help any medicine or health field to get it perfectly done. So this is how our project is created by some codes and a website. So thank you, everyone.